MMFF if their movies were not this good. So I'm just excited to watch all of them actually go.
So, Cassie, what copy and paste na?
Ako kasi, parang medyo controversial yung sagot ko. Lahat! Siyempre lahat, of course! Copy-paste lang. Copy-paste lang. Pero actually para sa akin, walang competition. Kasi proud na ako sa film na to. And I feel like it's more of showcasing than competing. Max! Yan na!
Gusto ko yung sagot mo yan.
Yes!
Ang galing yan.
Thank you!
So, John?
Spell. Joke.
Well, ayoko na po sumagot kasi lahat naman po kasi talaga kalaban eh. Magkakalaban tayo lahat dito pero yun nga, kaya nasabi ni Cassie, it's about showcasing. Yun lang.
Thank you, John.
Galing natin.
Abangan namin sagot si John.
Naabangan yung sagot ko.
Tapos next section.
Nasagot ko na to. It's a festival. We can treat it as a competition, but honestly, we're competing amongst ourselves. If we're gonna watch it or not, tayo mga Pilipino dapat tinatangkilik natin regardless kung anong pelikula yan.